This is a quick guide about how to submit your tax information in Adsense if you are a non-US citizen or resident. So creators outside of the US have been informed a few days ago that they need to complete their tax information. And if your tax info isn't provided in Adsense either for YouTube or blogs by May 31st, 2021, Google may be required to deduct up to 24% of total earnings worldwide. Now, how can we avoid this? So in this video, I really want to show you that when you fill in your tax information, you may be able to claim tax treaty, which means that you may be exempt from paying taxes or that you need to pay a reduced rate of taxes. So let me show you how this is done. So when you log into your Adsense account and you click on the link Manage Tax Info and then Add Tax Info, you may be required to enter your password again for security purposes. So for account type, I will choose individual, and I'm not a resident or citizen of the United States. That is the whole point why we're doing this. Now we need to select a W-8 tax form. For our case, a W-8 Ben form will apply because we have no business or trading that is done in the United States. So I'm going to select this form, and then I'm going to click on Start W-8 Ben form. Okay, so my name has automatically been added to the form, and for country of citizenship, in my case, that will be the UK. And when we scroll down, the next part is about filling in our taxpayer identification number, our TIN number. So it really depends on the country that you're applying from. The equivalent of a taxpayer identification number in the UK would be our national insurance number, which I have and most working residents will have. And if you do a Google search, you can search for what is equivalent to a taxpayer identification number in your country. You can see that it says it is okay. So again, you can do a very similar search for your country as well. So I'm going to add my national insurance number in here now. So now I'm going to click on Next. Here I need to add my permanent resident address. So I'm going to check this box and add my address. And my mailing address is the same as my permanent residence address. Okay, so the next part is important. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Yes, we are. So I'm going to check this box and select my country of residence, which in my case is the UK. So if I scroll down and I'm going to check all of these income types, which I do get already or might get later, and I'm going to check the box to say that Dorothy Shelton meets the terms of the treaty article. Then on the article and paragraph and withholding rate, click on the arrow pointing down and select what is there. And you know, it might be different from my screen because I am a UK resident and citizen. The whole point of this is that you are claiming a tax exemption or reduction. So for withholding rate, you can click on reduced rate, which in my case is 0%. And I'm going to do this for all of the three income types. And then I'm going to click on Next. Okay, so here I need to preview how the document will be generated and confirm I have reviewed it. And then I need to add in my full name and verify that I'm the person listed in the signature section and completing this form on my behalf. And finally, I need to confirm that I haven't performed any activities and services for Google within the US. I'm providing tax info for an existing payment profile that has previously received payments. So that applies to me. So I'm going to click on this box and I'm going to submit my info. So there you have it. This was a step-by-step walkthrough on how to submit your tax information in Google AdSense. If you found this video useful, if you think anybody can benefit from this information, then please share the video, like and comment down below what you think about the new changes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.